Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Friday, March the 14th. It is a beautiful day out here. We're actually in Midtown, Atlanta. I do quite a bit of business out here. Actually, next week, we're going to be doing a penthouse at the Four Seasons, screen recoat with UV cure. And that's actually what we're doing here in this nice four-level townhome. This is a client that found me online. I did come out and do a consultation. They booked on the spot. And what we're going to be doing, guys, is close to 800 square feet, screen and recoat with UV cure, and also about 30 stairs. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today, guys. So there's Tavares. We're just setting up right now. Again, it is a beautiful day out here in Midtown. I worked in a lot of these high risers, and all right, guys, let me show you what we got going. The one thing about working in the city of Atlanta, man, sometimes the parking, when you're working these condos, dealing with concierge, and man, it can really be a toll. All right, but they also need services done as well. So show you guys what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be doing this first floor. When you first come down, got this area right here, this hallway. We're also going to be coating these stairs right here. And then we got this area right here. And one of the reasons, guys, the screen and recoat, you can actually see like the micro scratches. This is a custom stain, and I just tested. All right, and this whole area right here, great time to get this recoated. And you can really see some like wear right here. And then we're gonna be coating these stairs right here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Oh, the key. Okay. All right, guys, stay tuned. That will be no dog next Thursday afternoon. So we got Thursday. So some correction. Got to talk to a few other companies. And some man just happened on your website. This is more confident. Well, you doing this job because those guys tell me what you're doing, but I didn't receive the bill. It's on your website, and saw the work that we did in confidence. That I want to use you. All right, guys. Well, go ahead and start finish. Then we do you. All right, guys, just got back, went into a little lunch break. I have booked 3 new appointments today based off pictures. One is a wax removal and 2 is screen and recoats. I had about another 3 people send me pictures. And I have other people said they're gonna send me pictures. It has been a great busy day today. So guys, I'm back at the house in the beautiful townhouse here in Midtown, and these floors looks amazing. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and turn on the UV machine. Tim, how do these floors look? They look really good. All right, guys, so that's my client Tim, and man, these floors look amazing, guys. They look amazing. All right, guys, Tavares left early. But again, I'll take me 30-45 minutes to UV cure this. And we also got the stairs. We screen and recoated these stairs and screen and recoated those stairs. And I'm a UV cure down there as well. And I'm gonna do a consultation in Decatur, which is about 20 minutes from here. Man, these floors look amazing. Really brought these floors back to life. Also too, right here where it's really worn, you just see guys, brought it back to life. Client gave me a good compliment, no dust. And also he said, Courtney, I thought it was gonna be an odor. We use water-based products, low VOCs. All right guys, time to do some UV curing. Stay tuned. Guys, my client Mrs. Stacy's about to come down, so I've already UV cured this right here. Come on down, Stacy. How does it look? Look good? Remember that area right there that was really worn?
Yeah.
Look at that.
It looks much better. Very much.
Thank you. Stairs look good?
They do. They really do.
Thank you. Thank you. So all I got to do now is just UV cure the bottom part. It'll take me 10 minutes. Okay. But I just want you guys to see this. But yeah, I just got a 10 watch. I just UV cured this. So you see how nice and smooth it is? Mm-hmm. Yep. Cool. Cool. All right, guys.
You just said squeak.
Yeah, I'll show you. Pull up Amazon, I'll show it to you.
Yeah,
yep.
I saw it. It comes in a squirt bottle.
Yep, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. My clients are happy with the results. Floors look so much better. You remember all those scuff marks and scratches? Oh, man, it looks so much better. All right, and that satin finish looks really good on this floor. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and UV cure that downstairs, and I'm going to go ahead to Decatur and do a consultation. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Is that where he